G'day guys, let's talk Sola Tecs C1000, and I'm running the system here without a splash guard, but I just wanted to break the system down to show you the versatility of this brush to take it from 1 metre wide back to 800 and then back to 600. Let's just give you a bird's eye view at 1 metre without a splash guard. So, commercial application, 250 or 200 to 250 panels per hour, running about 1800 psi at the head, about 10 litres a minute. Let's break this brush down and show you the process and how it operates at 600. So this Sola Tecs C1000, which is 1 metre long, can be cut back to 800 and then 600. So it's made up of sectional brushes. So we can remove brushes in sections, 10 centimetre increment, and then another one in here to drop it back to 600. So I'll take both those off both sides and we'll give you a bird's eye view at running and how we've broken down this brush. So we've dropped the C1000 brush, which is 1 metre long, and we've removed sectional parts from the brush to drop it down to 600 mil. So we'll give this a whirl, same pressures, same flow rates. The C1000 as a brush head and gearbox is just over the 5.5 kilo mark. It stretches across a complete solar panel, so for commercial applications, 200 to 250 panels per hour, the C1000 will absolutely fly through. Being a lot smaller, it's going to be a lot more easier to manage, being in a smaller configuration. So it won't stretch across a complete solar panel. But for glass roofs, or flat glass roofs, hydroponics, very easy to manage. Solar panel cleaning. From a residential perspective, a smaller brush in tighter confinement with a lighter all-up weight will be easier to manage than the metre-long brush, which will smash through the solar panels in that commercial application when you are punching numbers. Hope this has been a bit of a understanding on the Sola Tecs. You can get all the information at bluetongueindustries.com.au on all the products. Make sure you check out all our other videos on YouTube under Blue Tongue Industries. Appreciate you watching. We'll catch you on the next video.